About ready to cry.
During the Revolutionary War, when George Washington and his troops were crossing the Delaware River, our flag was there. In 1812, after the British burned the White House, there was a night of terrific battle at Fort McHenry, with bombs bursting in air. The following morning, as Francis Scott Key wrote, our flag was still there. On December 7th, 1941, at Pearl Harbor, and again at Iwo Jima, as World War II raged, our flag was there. On July 21st, 1969, when Neil Armstrong walked on the moon, making a giant leap for mankind, our flag was there. In the wreckage of the Twin Towers after September 11th, 2001, to honor the heroic men and women who died, our flag was there. At this time, may we present the greatest symbol of freedom in the world, the flag of the United States of America.
This moment of silence brought to you by the Deaf and Blind School.
I can't believe they're not playing Wake Ridge.
49 FM, real, relevant, and local.